Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
आयज लॉन्च केल्या आमी दोन नवी गाडी आमच्यो. एक आहा ती कायगर which is brand new, that is launched in February, and now we have relaunched it with the few more addition in it. Apart from that आमी नवी KWID launch केल्या. It is a 10th year anniversary edition. So आता आमी Renault Indian almost like 10 वर्सां complete जाल्या. It is no more a new brand. आणि आमी हांगा priority in almost 6 वर्सां complete केल्या गोंयान. All the 3 variants are available.
Of course, there have been hiccups with the COVID waves and everything, but we have a very strong team who has been very resilient, who has fought the odds and somehow got their way through with this thing. We have managed to keep our customers happy, sales or service.
A great journey. 10 years back, we started off with just 34 outlets. 2011 it was. One good plant in Chennai, and then we have a good big technical center at Chennai. We got some 8,000 engineers working on the latest designs and future designs, not only for India, rather they are designing cars and working on technology for the rest of the world also.